Welcome to Vima Learning. Today, we're looking at another vital maths concept. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a revision hack. Ready? Let's get started.
In this lesson, we'll be discussing algebra for beginners. What is algebra? At its core, algebra is a branch of mathematics where we use letters and symbols to represent numbers, especially numbers we don't yet know. Algebra is all about missing values or numbers. If you have solved a missing box problem, you have already solved an algebra equation. Let's think of it like this. Arithmetic asks, what is 2 plus 3? Algebra asks, what number can I add to 2 to give me 5? Rather than drawing missing boxes, mathematicians use a letter of the alphabet to represent the missing number. So we can write the equation as this: 2 plus x equals 5. Now, a variable is simply a placeholder for a number we don't know yet. Let's take a simple example. I'm thinking of a number. When I add 3 to it, I get 7. What is the number? Now we can write that as an equation like this. The number I'm thinking about be represented by x. When I add 3 to it, it gives me 7. Now to find x, do the opposite of adding 3. We subtract 3 from both sides. So we have x plus 3, take away 3, equals 7, take away 3. Now x equals 4. And just like that, the unknown has been revealed. Now let's quickly clear up two important ideas: equations versus expressions. Now, in algebra, what we refer to as expression is a mathematical phrase without an equal sign. For example, now this is an example of an expression: 2x plus 5. There is no equal sign attached to it. So this is a simple algebraic expression. But on the other hand, for an equation has an equal sign. It shows that two things are equal. For example, we can have 2x add 5 equals 11. This is an example of an algebraic equation. What's the difference? An equation has equal sign, an expression have no equal sign. Okay, now let's imagine you buy some notebooks. Each notebook costs the same amount. You buy 3 notebooks and spend £15 in total. How much does one notebook cost? We can translate that into algebra as 3x. You bought 3 notebooks. Now we don't know the cost of each notebook, so the unknown there is represented by x equals 15. To solve for x in this equation, because what we have here is an equation, we have to divide both sides by 3, and therefore x equals 5. So Each notebook costs £5. Let's try one more thing to better understand how we can solve an algebraic equation. Solve this. 2x plus 4 equals 10. First, we need to subtract 4 from both sides. 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. So now we have 2x equals 6. And then to solve this, we need to divide both sides by 2. And therefore x equals 3. So this is the basic understanding to start your lesson on algebra. Understanding what variable is. As we discussed in the lesson, a variable is a simple placeholder for a number we don't know yet. Understand the difference between an expression and an equation. Meanwhile, an equation is where the real adventure begins because they can be solved. And we have done that, showing how it can be solved by 2 examples.
Thanks for learning with Vima Academy. To stay ahead in your studies and join our community of successful students, check out vimalearning.com. You can also find daily study hacks on our Instagram and TikTok at Vima Learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to simplify your learning journey